Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited on behalf of Group 1 to take you through the design and development process of the e-commerce website for GlowNest Wellness, an innovative startup that specializes in customized wellness products. First, let me guide you through the overview information of GlowNest Wellness. GlowNest core products offerings include essential oil diffusers, where customers can choose from different designs like minimalist white, natural wood, or sleek black. They also have a variety of essential oil scents such as lavender, lemongrass, and peppermint, and additional accessories like Himalayan salt stones and LED lights. Moreover, the company releases seasonal wellness gift sets for holidays like Tet, Christmas, and Women's Day, adding a sentimental touch to their already functional products. GlowNest Wellness operates on both B2C and B2B models, serving individual consumers who are passionate about wellness and corporate clients looking for a thoughtful gift for employees or wellness programs. Therefore, the goal of this website is to boost brand awareness, improve customer experience, and increase online sales through personalization and easy-to-use features. Now, let's dive into how the website was made. The creation of this website followed a clear methodology focusing on wireframing, prototyping, and testing. In the first phase, we began with wireframing. This stage was all about defining the layout and structure of the website, ensuring we designed an interface that was intuitive and easy for users to navigate. We worked in Figma to create the wireframes, starting with the home page. This page is crucial as it's the first thing users see when they visit the site. We wanted it to highlight key products categories, seasonal promotions, and a clear path to product customization. The homepage was structured with sections like best sellers, featured seasonal sets, and a personalization section, which would take users directly to the part where they could start customizing their products. Moving on to the product pages, we designed these to be visually appealing and straightforward, showcasing high-quality images and detailed product descriptions. It was important for customers to feel they could easily see and understand their customization options, whether it was a diffuser design, an essential oil scent, or accessories like LED lights or Himalayan salt stones. The goal was to make shopping easy, engaging, and efficient. After the wireframing phase, we moved on to prototyping. Using Figma, we transformed the wireframes into an interactive version of the website. This step allowed us to test out how the website would function in real time, ensuring smooth interactions with product customization, viewing different scents, and seeing how the design changed as the user made selections. Additionally, we ensured the website was responsive, that it would adapt seamlessly to mobile, tablet, and desktop devices, considering that our target audience is likely to shop on the go. Once we had a working prototype, the next step was testing. We conducted usability tests, asking real users to interact with the site. This gave us insight into any pain points, whether it was in the navigation or checkout process. We used the feedback to make refinements, fixing bugs and improving the flow to ensure that customers had an intuitive, enjoyable experience from start to finish. Now, let's move on to the key features of the website, which were specifically designed to align with GlowNest Wellness brand and objectives. Let's start with product personalization. This is by far one of the standout features of the website. Customers are given the opportunity to fully customize their essential oil diffuser, from the design and color to the scent and accessories. As a customer, you can choose from 3 different diffuser designs: minimalist white, natural wood, or sleek black. You can then select your favorite essential oil scents like calming lavender or refreshing peppermint. Once the customization is complete, customers move to the product pages. These pages have high-quality images of each diffuser and detailed descriptions. making sure customers understand exactly what they're purchasing. It's about making sure they feel informed and confident in their purchase. The website also offers secure payment interactions. We've included various payment options such as credit cards, e-wallets, and buy now, pay later. This gives users the flexibility to choose how they'd like to pay, while also ensuring that transactions are safe and secure. Once the customers proceed to checkout, they'll be presented with a clear order summary detailing the products, taxes, shipping costs, and total amount. This clarity helps reduce any confusion or hesitation during the final steps of the buying process. Okay, so now I'm gonna guide you through a quick process of purchasing our products. So here is the interface of the website. As you can see, here is the hero banner, the products customization section, a section on our products and company, some testimonials. Okay, so for the product customization process, first you're gonna choose your diffuser. Here, let's say I would choose the USB powered mini diffuser. Click on that, and then you're gonna add to cart. Click on this, and then you will choose your favorite aroma. Let's say I'm gonna choose lavender. It's one of my favorite scents. And also you're gonna click add to cart, and now you will turn to the cart page. As you can see here, the cart will display two products that you have chosen. We have the diffuser, we have the essential oil. That's like a perfect combo to begin with. And now you hit the checkout button to start purchasing it. Okay, so now we will go to the details to purchase the products. Here on the right is the purchase summary for the products you have chosen and the total amount that you have to pay. And also there's a box for you to insert the coupon code. And on your right is the details, your personal information for us to deliver the products to you. First you have the contact. First you enter your email or your phone number, or you can even log in if you have an account to our website. Furthermore, you will have to input some shipping address, for example, your name, your address, your city, your postal code, blah, blah, blah. After finishing all of the details, your information, you will hit the Go to Shipping button here. Okay, so after you have input your information, you will then choose your desired shipping method. Here it is by default chosen the standard shipping method, and it's free. And now we will go to the payment section. As I said before, the website offers a variety of payment methods, but here I will give an example on the credit card method. So you will input your credit card information, your card number, your holder number, your expiration date, and CVV. And also some tax informations, if necessary, and also the billing address. After you have input all the information, you will hit the Pay Now button, and it's done. You will receive a payment confirmed, your order number, and some information about the shipment duration, and reminder for you to check the inbox for other updates on the shipment. Throughout the development process, we encountered a few challenges, but we were able to overcome them with some creative solutions. One of the main challenges was balancing customization with simplicity. Offering so many customization options could easily overwhelm users, making the site feel too complex. To solve this, we broke down the process into simple, clear steps with a progress bar to show users where they were in the process. We also added helpful tooltips and visual aids to guide them along the way, ensuring the experience remained engaging without being overwhelming. Another challenge was optimizing for mobile devices. Since a large portion of our target audience shops on their phones, we needed to make sure the website was fully responsive. However, while we were developing the mobile version, there remained some issues. Therefore, we could not make it in time for the final version. But we promised to finish it real soon to cater our dearest customers' demand. Lastly, we had to streamline the checkout process. Customizing products can sometimes make the checkout complicated, but we simplify it by breaking it down into digestible steps and offering a guest checkout option. This ensured that customers wouldn't abandon their carts due to a lengthy or confusing checkout process. In conclusion, the Glowless Wellness e-commerce website successfully reflects the company's values of personalization, quality, and customer satisfaction. We have designed a platform that delivers a seamless shopping experience, from customizing diffusers to completing a secure checkout. Despite challenges such as balancing customization and simplicity, the website is both functional and engaging. By offering customers a personalized experience, secure payment options, and seasonal gift sets, Glowless Wellness is well positioned to grow its brand and reach its target market of wellness enthusiasts, professionals, and corporate clients. The site's design and functionality are aligned with the company's goals of enhancing brand awareness, improving customers' experience, and driving online sales. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have, so leave them below this video and see you next time.